Hello, Dan here with a quick video on this. This is my Acer gaming laptop, the Predator Helios 300. I've had this for about 6 months now, just over. And I've got to say, I'm really impressed. When you look at it online, it kind of advertises this fantastic specification, and it really lives up to the hype. It really does. I've had no issues at all with it, bar two little care points, which I'll mention in a second, but straight away, just look at the quality of the graphics. This is a YouTube video just playing in the background. But I just love how crisp and vivid and bright the image is. When you're gaming, which I casually do from time to time, it is phenomenal. But the processing power in this also makes it fantastic for video editing, which unfortunately is the main purpose. I'd prefer it to be gaming, but there we go. The two care points I've got is you can see that the mouse pad here has picked up a little bit of discoloration, which is, I guess, just from use and probably not to be unexpected, but it is something just to be aware of. And you can see just here I've got two bits plugged in, so that is my mouse and keyboard, which I use. And this is my second care point, is that there's two here in use. I normally have the third one where is it here? With my flash drive plugged in. That's not in at the moment, but unfortunately there are only three, and I would prefer there to be one or two extra, just for the amount of devices I like to plug in. But yeah, other than that, 6 months in, that is all I have to say negative about this laptop. It's a fantastic piece of kit. It's done exactly what I need for being able to play my games casually, but also edit some videos, and I'm really pleased I chose it. So I hope this helps you out.